Hello everyone.
I've seen the devil.
We are Pebblereka 3D.
In every place.
Present to you.
In every face.
This is our sales department. This is our team that responsible to handle our company's sales. Let's move to the next department. This is our operation department with 3D printing workplace. Includes FDM, SLA, and SLS machines. This is our operation workshop. This is our technical department. That responsible for technical and repairing services. Here is our finance and admin department. That responsible to manage company finances and documents. This is our operation team. So here we are as a whole team of Pebblereka 3D.
Raise3D from Pebblereka wish you